Time you worked?
Stopped in June.
Okay. Where were you working?
DFP on Backbone Road.
What do they do?
They like process parts out. It's like the last people to get all the manufacturing.
Yep.
The sovereign citizen.
No, that's an attorney. Prosecutor. All right. You don't want a public defender?
Okay, we worked out something.
Okay.
What's his first
David?
David Davis, correct?
Yeah, David Davis. I can't find him here. We got a lot of Davises. There he is. All right, let's see what we got. All right, you met with the prosecutor. You're going to plead guilty to an added charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle on July 12, 2026, correct? Do you understand your rights and options today? And do you understand the possible penalty for this added charge? Understanding that added charge and your rights and options, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Sir, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on July 12? And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to the added charge and dismiss the originals. That's the civil infraction and the misdemeanor. All right. What should I know before I sentence you? Are you working?
No, I'm looking.
All right.
Trying to bring it on and that, but I was looking to get hired into this place when I was 4 months there, but due to being on probation, you know.
Where are you on probation at?
Washington County
What for?
for, I can't really,
Felony or misdemeanor?
misdemeanor,
How long you been on probation?
like 3 months out.
How long you on?
It's a 6 month term.
Okay, halfway done. All right. When worked?
Stopped in June.
Okay. Where were you working?
DFP on Backbone Road.
What do they do?
They like process parts out. It's like the last people to get all the manufacturing.
Yep.
That's supposed to get it and ship it out.
Okay. And what's the status of your driving privileges? What do you have to do to get back on the road legally?
I just walking down my suspension down. And then, you know what I mean? So I know, you know, that day, that morning, man, it was just an emergency. I don't know.
No. As of right now, what do you have to do to get back on the road? You just waiting for time to run?
Wait on my suspension, so I can't do nothing.
What are you suspended? Till when?
January.
Okay. All right. So after that, you just go back to reinstatement fee and you get, okay. All right. All right. So I'll get back to this case and sentence you in a minute. Before you leave the building, talk to Avery Taylor. He's downstairs behind the counter. Tell him you're looking for a job. He's got all kinds of organizations in our area that are looking to hire right now. Okay. And you're in Ipsy, so it's not like it's a long way from our area. Okay. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you today? You're broke. You can't drive. You need a job. Anything else I got to know? All right. There's hope for it to get better. How you getting around now? You got friends and family getting you around, or is it a struggle? You paying Uber?
Catch the bus, and I'm moving the walk, man. I was walking and catching the bus before I started driving, so I'm not a stranger to that. So that gets me where I gotta go. That's why I'm really trying to get something within, you know, the
Yep.
You know, I don't have to Uber and all that. I don't have money for that. So I would rather walk to work or catch the bus. I'm gonna talk to Avery. Right?
Avery Taylor. All right. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to get you with any money today. I'm going to put you on a 12-month non-reporting probation to stay out of trouble with me. No new criminal charges and no driving until you're legal. All right. In addition to that, instead of any money, I'm just going to tell you to do 40 hours of charity work. So find someplace close to home so you can walk it. Church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army. Avery's got a list of organizations, maybe some in your area, maybe there aren't. I don't know. But I'm going to give you until October 1 to find some place or more than one, do your hours, get those hours documented on official letterhead from the charity and present that to us. So as long as you do 40 hours of charity work between now and October 1 and you stay out of trouble for the next 12 months, you and I are done with each other. Got it? Questions? You're all set. Go down and see Avery.
The Sovereign Citizen.